In this tutorial, we'll know how to upload our app in Google Play Store. First, download the APK file in your computer. There are a few things to get ready with for store listing. You'll need a short description, a long description of your app, a 1024 by 500 pixel cover image, a 512 by 512 pixel app logo and some screenshots. Now go to Google Play Console account. If you haven't a developer account already, you'll need to create a new account which requires a $25 one-time registration fee. Let's create a new app. Provide our app name. Select your default language. Choose whether it's an app or game and is your app free or paid. You'll have to read and accept the developer program policies and US export laws to create the app. Once created, you'll be taken to your application dashboard. From here you'll have to set up your app. Complete the tasks under Set up your app, one by one. First one is App Access, means all user can access this app without any special permission or not. For my app, it's open to all. Second, choose if you have enabled AdMob or other ads in your app or not. In my app, I didn't put any ads. Third is the Content Ratings, where you'll have to answer few questions. Before answering, enter your email address and choose the right category of your app. Now read each question carefully and answer correctly. Don't try to provide wrong answer, or Google may not accept your app submission while reviewing. Once saved, you'll get your content ratings. Submit that. Now choose your target audience. If the age of your app users are below 13, then you will have to submit a privacy policy. For my app, it's 18 and over. Choose if somehow your app can appeal to children or not. Let's save it. Getting back to our next task. If your app is a news app, you'll have to choose yes, otherwise keep it to no. Now you'll have to choose the right category of your application and provide some contact details which will be displayed in your store listing. Don't forget to write your own email address and website address here. Now the important part is setting up your store listing. You'll have to enter your app short description and long description here. Next, upload your 512 by 512 pixel app logo. Then upload your 1024 by 500 pixel cover image in the feature graphics area. If you have any promo video on YouTube, you can add it here. Next, upload your phone screenshots here. You can also change the order by sorting them. If you want your app to be suggested by Google on 7-inch and 10-inch tablet, then you can also upload screenshots of tablet device. Let's save everything. Finally, in Dashboard, scroll down to Publish your app on Google Play section. Here first you will have to choose the countries from where users can download your app. In my case, I'm not restricting any country. It's time to create your app release. You can continue with Play App Signing, but it's not necessary right now. So I will simply opt out from that. Now I'll upload the APK that I have downloaded from my Appilix dashboard. In future, if Appilix provide .aab file, then you can upload that here instead of .apk file. You can customize your release name and release notes here. Let's save it. And review the release. Finally click the Start Rollout to Production, and Google will start reviewing your app submission. Google may take few days to publish your app in the Play Store if everything is fine in your app.